With their immense towing and hauling abilities, heavy-duty pickup trucks are trickier to evaluate than, say, a Porsche Boxster. Renting a racetrack or rocketing down our favorite back road is pretty straightforward, but we don't always have a 40-foot horse trailer or a spare bulldozer to lug around, let alone the commercial driver's license that such a load can require. Which is why we joined GMC in the Rocky Mountains for some job site schooling with the updated 2017 Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD. The Tony are twins of the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado HD trucks that round out Detroit's latest class of junior Peterbilts. We put Chevy's latest HD trucks to work at last year's State Fair of Texas during an all-too-brief orientation. But exercising these rigs on the open road, at high altitudes, and under various loads is a different matter. Our drive started out in Moab, Utah, and meandered over craggy, snow-capped peaks to Telluride, Colorado, 8,750 feet above sea level, with stops along the way to exercise General Motors' new Duramax diesel engine and the Sierra's enhanced workday skills. Whereas Ford took a more comprehensive approach to revising its 2017 F-Series Super Duty trucks, including stronger frames, fresh aluminum bodywork, and a boost up to 925 lb-ft of torque for its Powerstroke turbo diesel V8. GM focused primarily on a new diesel powertrain and the refinement of its big trucks at their working limits. A 360 HP 6.0-liter gasoline V8 carries over as the base engine in the Sierra HD, but our time was spent exclusively with turbo diesel models in the top-grade Denali trim, which accounts for about half of GMC's heavy-duty sales, with most buyers choosing diesel power. Distinguished by a prominent, ram air-style hood scoop which adds to the conventional fender well intake to facilitate engine cooling, the diesel Sierra HD now pumps out 910 lb-ft of torque at 1,600 rpm, putting it between the Ford and the 900 lb-foot Ram 3500 with the optional Eisen automatic. Lesser 2500 and 3500 series Rams make 660 or 800 lb-ft, depending on gearbox. GM's new Duramax 6.6-liter V8, known internally as L5P, however, tops them all in horsepower, with 445 ponies to the Super Duty's 440 and the Ram's max of 385. The standard and diesel-only 6-speed Allison automatic transmission, the gas engine is paired with a Hydra-matic 6-speed automatic, sports new electronic controls and has been fortified in key areas, as has the driveline leading to the carryover axles with 3.73:1 differential ratios. Altogether, the powertrain requires an upcharge of about $9,000